Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of adding a bio to your Telegram account on your PC. A bio is a fantastic way to personalize your profile and let others know more about you. Let's dive in. To begin, open the Telegram app on your PC. Look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, located in the top left corner. Click on it to open the menu. Next, click on Settings to access the Settings menu. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice another set of three dots, another menu icon in the top left corner. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Edit Profile. A pop-up window will appear with various options to edit your profile. Look for the Bio section and click on it. Now you have the freedom to enter your desired text in the Bio section. Share a brief description about yourself, your interests, or anything you'd like others to know. Once you've entered your text, simply close the pop-up window. And there you have it. You've successfully added a bio to your Telegram account on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing your Telegram profile.